Giving coupons to your customers to enjoy discounts is a strategy that doesn't fail, but you must be very aware that these discounts are not very restrictive with the minimum or maximum purchase amount so that your customers feel motivated to use them. If you try to eliminate coupons by minimum or maximum purchase amount, you will have to open all the coupons one by one in WooCommerce, which would take you a lot of time and would be a very tedious task. That's why in this video, we will teach you how to filter and delete the coupons you need with the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin, with which you can filter and edit thousands of coupons at once using a spreadsheet that contains a powerful bulk editing tool. You'll find a link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Before eliminating coupons, let's see how to find all coupons whose minimum purchase amount is over $20 using the search tool. Once the tool is open, tick here to enable the advanced filters. Then select minimum amount as the field key. As an operator, we'll select this option, since we want to find all coupons whose amount is greater than the amount we'll enter next. Now enter the minimum purchase amount here. Finally, run the search. Now let's filter out all coupons whose maximum purchase amount is less than $100. For this, open the search tool. Then, enable the advanced filters. Choose the maximum amount field key. As an operator, we'll select this option, since we want to find all coupons whose amount is less than the amount we'll enter later. And enter the maximum purchase amount here. Lastly, run the search and all the coupons that meet the criteria will be displayed in the spreadsheet. If you want to find all coupons whose minimum purchase amount is more than $20 and the maximum is less than $100, you can do that too. Just open the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select minimum amount as the field key. The operator will be greater than. Enter the minimum purchase amount here. Now add a new search field. Choose the maximum amount field key. Select the less than operator in this case. And enter the maximum purchase amount. Finally, run the search. And all the coupons whose minimum purchase amount is more than $20 and the maximum is less than $100 will be displayed. After we have filtered the coupons, let's delete them all in bulk. To do so, let's open the bulk edit tool. Then, select this option to edit the rows from our current search. Enter the field status. Then select to set the value. In this field, choose delete completely. And execute. As you can see, all the filtered coupons have been deleted. Finding and removing all your coupons by minimum or maximum purchase amount doesn't have to be a headache, as you can do it quickly with the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.